Chief Executive Officer katanat Eleksyon Khubor hakasnitho dieng ulalum ya kajing lang bat Baroh ki Seng Saiñpyrthei ban pentikna ya kajing Iaid Beit kani ke Elekshon MP. Ha kani ke Eleksyon jan Baroh ki parti base kertong MP kila pilot ban yo penpau markmat ya kijing sngow bat jing shem jongki. CEO ulaong bakatanat Eleksyon kan pentikna bakani kajing tap vote kan long ka basaiso bat ka Iaid Beit.
Meeting with the political party representative at state level in view of the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, as voting poll day is very close, and moreover there are several concerns from the different political parties to know their worry list and other issues like appointing the political agents and their cooperation in respect to law and order situation, and from our side we briefed we have heard about the different concerns and worries in present scenario, and we requested them for their full cooperation, and all of them has just assures us that from their end they will try their best to maintain the peace and harmony, and full cooperation they will extend to the law and order enforcement agencies and state. So we are very happy, and but our concerns are there at the ground to maintain the law and order and peace and harmony. So law enforcement agencies are already there as per the protocol and instruction from the Honorable ECI. To the booth level sweep strategy, we worked out the turnout implementation plan, and we are associating with the youth, the traditional institutions like reviving the Usongot and other institutions, making these elections green, and moreover the community participation. There's community initiatives like cleaning drives in the polling stations, and more, because once the community will take the ownership, they have lot of say and hold in the localities. So our most of the strategy is surrounding the community and the youth. So I hope we will be able to have higher voting percentage.